To add your Instagram account to Facebook Ads Manager, you have to follow some steps. First, you need to go to Facebook Ads Manager and log into your Facebook account that has access to your business page. In Ads Manager, click on the menu. Navigate to the business settings under the settings section. Go to the Instagram account. In the business settings sidebar, look for account and click on Instagram accounts. Now click on add button. At the top right of the Instagram page, a pop-up will appear asking for your Instagram login credentials. Now enter your Instagram username and password and authorize Facebook to manage your Instagram account. Once you logged in, your Instagram account will be linked to your Facebook ads page. Now after connecting your Instagram account, you can assign ad account or user permissions to manage Instagram ads from within Ads Manager. When creating a new ad campaign, you will now have the options to select Instagram account for ad placements in Instagram stories, feed and explore. So this was how you can connect Facebook Ads Manager and Instagram together, and I'll see you in the next one.